Welcome to our 18th annual Alcohol Policy Conference. We are so glad you're here. This year we had a record-setting year in attendance, and I think that's truly a testament to the agenda we put together.
Every year I find new value in coming to this conference.
Value of coming to CAP is great networking, great information, great content.
The industry landscape is changing significantly.
Even though there's not a lot of criminal prosecution, there's a lot of stuff that can place licenses in jeopardy. Without your license, you got nothing to do.
Cannabis regulators have a lot to learn from alcohol regulators in the alcohol space and vice versa. And increasingly, we are seeing a number of states where those regulators overlap and are the same agency or person.
We're in an awkward position where the folks with the pen in these committees say, we didn't want this, we want the door shut. And there's several industries that are saying, wait a minute, there's got to be a path.
You want to make sure you take advantage of law enforcement in your communities, the state law enforcement, the attorney general's offices. Criminals are organized, and the alcohol industry should organize as well.
This is not the time to back off on public health and safety. There is a role for everyone in this room.
At this conference, I meet people that I don't typically meet day to day. There's a lot more regulators here. There's a lot of policymakers. There's a lot of law enforcement. It's different than interacting with customers and suppliers.
The networking's great because mostly the regulators that you don't get a lot of opportunity to connect with outside of these conferences unless it's in a purely formal business setting.
It's a whole different flow of ideas that you wouldn't be able to get otherwise, besides at a conference like this.
I think if you want to do good work, then you have to know what people are saying across industries, but it's also a good way to understand sort of what is foreseeable, because if California is doing it, Tennessee's probably going to be there in the next few years.
There's so much to learn. It's complicated, but if you're at a place like this, there's no judgment. Everyone's so, willing to teach you.
I'll definitely be back next year to this conference.